today we are at the Café Coyotes. This is a Chile relleno plate with rice and beans, Old Town San Diego, some salsa, and some chips. And this is a huge shrimp burrito that my husband will devour soon. And with rice and beans, and up there you have a lady making some fresh handmade flour tortillas, which we already ate it because we were starving. But this is the Cafe Coyote. Right here you'll see the name. Downtown Old Town San Diego. Hope you can come and eat here someday and enjoy these delicious meals that they offer.